Bacha. Mr. Loverman, Bacha. Mr. Loverman, Bacha. Mr. Loverman, and you know what, girl? Well, if I'm loving you're looking for, you buck up on the right man. I'm loving you're hunting for, you buck up on the right. Well, if I'm loving you're looking for, you buck up on the right man. I'm loving you're hunting for, you buck up on the right man. A woman take a trip, she coming from England to satisfy her soul. You know, say she want a man. Oof, it's Shabba rank, she buck up on. I'm going to make you explode just like a bomb. Every hour, every minute, and every second, them call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover.
I'm not gonna take it easy, you won't get away tonight. The vibe that's flowing through me makes me feel alright. You claim say you're full up of action, now is the chance to show me emotion. I've waited so long, you better come on strong.
Mr. Loverman, genuine. Mr. Loverman, Bacha. Mr. Loverman, Bacha. I can't wait.
Waiting for what?
You have it in your mind to come thrill me with it. I'm going lay it down and make you kill me with it. Because thrilling, that is my favorite hobby. And when me lay it down, you know me now run from it. Them call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover. Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover. Them call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover. A woman take a trip, she coming from England to satisfy her soul, you know, say she want a man. Oof, it's Shabba ranking you book up on. I'm going to make you explode just like a bomb. Every hour, every minute of every second, them call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover.
Champion lover, no ease up tonight. No, champion lover wanna make you feel alright. Wow, champion lover, no ease up tonight. Mr. Loverman, good loving boy, you're my best.
For if it's loving you want and I loving you, I go get. You've never experienced this I love yet. From this I love I'll make you work up a sweat. And in a this I love you not go live and fret. As I love you from toe come straight to you. Them call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover. Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover. I go and tell you why them call me Mr. Loverman. You see me love the girls them depending on Caroline, she be like oh, and a man. Them call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Lover.